Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Fenix 8 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. First thing we need to do is to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the menu button. Once the menu opens, scroll down by swiping on the screen and find the option called the System. And once you find it, tap on it. And here, scroll through the menu and find the option called the Language. And of course, once you find it, tap on it. And now you should see the list of languages. You can scroll through it, find the language you would like to use on your watch. And once you find it, tap on the language, and it should be applied after a couple of seconds. So if we open the menu now, the language should be changed. You can also change the language through the phone application if your watch is paired with a phone. So we can move this to the side, bring the phone that is paired with our watch, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen of the phone. Okay, and on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Garmin Connect application. In the app, you should see the home page. Now tap on More, scroll down, find the Garmin devices and tap on it. On the list of devices, you should see your Fenix 8, select it. Now scroll through this page, find the option called the System, tap on it, and then tap on Language. And here we have the list of languages, find the language you would like to use. Once you find it, tap on it, and the language will change on your watch. If it doesn't, you need to wait until the watch is done syncing, or you can force sync it by tapping on this icon. Okay, and that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.